The world needs you, just as you are. Your journey, your thoughts, your story, and your skills have gotten you far. You have something unique to offer those around you. You might not agree, but imagine loosely and see any number of unfortunate events that could have held you back have not yet. You are here, and your desires and ambitions are all a fantastic combination of creations that no one can take. And no one else will get to partake of the experiences you've had, good or bad. So be glad that this rad adventure chose you, and recognize it's time to be true and materialize the life you desire. There is power in who you are. Now that I have your attention, consider this an interactive video, hashed out from a proactive mental studio, a place we all have inside to sit and think. And in the blink of an eye, thoughts of your own design begin to transpire, start to inspire you to reach higher and higher, to be someone you admire, rather than sink in the mire and expire from a lack of desire. Train your attention and set your intention. I promise you will discover a worthy reflection. This thought experiment is not a difficult one, but I will give you some direction. So get right here with me. Give me your focus. First, think of a piece of art that has enriched your life, the physical manifestation of somebody's imagination or creation. You can close your eyes if it helps. This could be a song, a poem, a movie, or a character from a movie, a book, a beat that always makes you smile, or even a quote that you've tried to live your life by, like the one from my guy, the one who couldn't lie, the Illinois or else book. Find that creation. I'll give you a moment. All right, once you have it in mind, keep it there. How has that thing made your life better? Did it make you smile? Make you less sad for a while? Help you realize some deep lasting truth or put old beliefs on trial? All of us have a few of these gems that have made an impact, that have made us remember that joy can be rendered by a state of mind every time. Even if that impact is making a stressful day a little brighter, someone's heart a little lighter, never to discount the value of a smile. Now take that piece of art, creation, or thought, and picture its creator. No doubt you admire them, aspire to be like them. Imagine meeting them and shaking their hand. Picture them having this gift to give the world, to give to you, but only as an idea, not yet fully formed like many of your own. Imagine them telling themselves the same things we all have, that they can't do it and it's too hard or this will never work. Caught up in the false narrative we know so well, too afraid to fail when it's imperative to set sail, so they bail. Imagine somebody else tell them they couldn't do it. Now picture them not giving the world that gift because they gave into that false narrative. Imagine that gift never existed. How does it feel? Would your life look different? Would the world look different? How much? For some, it's just a touch. For others, it's just enough to drastically alter the path that they take, the choices they make, or it made them awake. And it's easy to state, but they were great. How could they hesitate? But before you spread the hate, you should be able to relate. If you let yourself debate the same lame excuses so obtrusive and conducive to the accurate conclusion, you are something to behold, your story should be told, and it's time to be bold. What if you had the chance to meet this creator, and you knew what they had to share with you and with the world, and you had 1 minute to change their mind? What would you tell them? Something thoughtful and kind, or something unrefined, or something out of line? Think about it for a moment. Once you have a few ideas, write them down in the comments or in your journal. This creator, this person, a human just like yourself, has dealt with all the same irrational thoughts of self-doubt and fear, their vision unclear, but through sheer positivity gain the ability and the agility to overcome hostility and create possibilities. Okay, let's bring this on home. You should know that when you are alone and speak about yourself, patterns are formed. Neural pathways are worn and then habits are born. Your self-talk will dictate your subconscious state and it won't discriminate because it can't differentiate the reality it creates, hence why we meditate. What are you passionate about? What gets you out of bed besides your alarm? What do you wish you had more time for? What hidden talents or passions can you cash in with some action? What thoughts have led to ideas and daydreams of if only? Which of these hobbies do you think might make somebody's day seem just a little less lonely? There's no time to be afraid, no time to be delayed. Someone out there is waiting for you to share your gift. I try to live by a few guidelines. One of those guidelines is to put something into this world that only I can provide. It took me a long time to get behind a frame of mind that left doubts behind, but I get a little better each day that I try. Finding something you think is going to enrich lives in a way that only you can is pure motivation incarnate. We all have something to give. Even if you haven't figured out what that is, start exploring. If something looks exciting or sounds enticing, stop denying yourself the chance at trying. While we are dying, still striving and thriving for more, stop eyeing the ground, put your head in the clouds by surrounding your mind with the sounds of your passion. Let them have it. Be selfish. Be brave. Be hopeful and optimistic. Fear is a false narrative, and we need your creative input in the world. I can't wait to see what your gift to the world is. I know it's going to be incredible because you are incredible. Stay mindful.